there, Silver Young Solo Traveler, this is Aya. Today the topic will be 8 packable things that could save your life while traveling. It is an article written by Christine Sarkis of Smarter Travel. Earthquake, fire, tsunami, hurricane. Most of us don't think about these things as we are packing. But when we visit destinations vulnerable to certain types of disaster, we take on the real risks of an emergency. Many of the most important items to have in the event of a major disaster can also be used for travel as well. Here is a short list of packable things that could save your life while on the road. Whistle. Yes, whistle. This is something that many people in earthquake-prone regions already have on their keychain. A whistle, opt for a keyless whistle, one that does not contain a cork key. For maximum durability, can help rescuer find you if you are trapped in a building or under rubble after disaster. The high-pitched sound can be easier to detect than the human voice, and it can be indispensable when dehydration or crashing has impaired your ability to yell. Flashlight. In a disaster, electricity is often the first thing to go. And if you are in a building or on a subway, you may need a light source to help you find your way out. While you could use your phone for this purpose, you will likely want to preserve its battery for overuse during an emergency. Choose from the mini small kitchen size LED flashlight with long battery life and bright light that are on the market. First aid kit. Staying as healthy as possible is key in the aftermath of a disaster, and that means effectively tending to minor injury. First aid kit basics such as individually wrapped alcohol pad, a small packet of antibiotic ointment, and a selection of bandage can help you keep minor abrasion from becoming infected. Plus, they take up virtually no room in a bag. Rescue blanket. Staying warm can be a challenge if you find yourself exposed to the element for an extended period. Even if you are inside when disaster strikes, heating system may not work. A Mylar rescue blanket is an incredibly light, storable, and efficient way to stay warm with just your own body heat. Neckerchief. Dust from debris can cause short-term breathing problems and long-term health issues. While a simple bandana or neckerchief won't filter out everything, it will provide coverage against larger airborne particles, and that can be just what you need to get to safety. Since basic bandana are small and fold up nicely, you can carry a few to distribute to companions. Backup charger. Charging your phone requires both electricity and access to an outlet, two conditions that can be hard to meet after a major disaster. Travel with a small battery or solar power charger to prolong the life of your cell phone in an emergency. Even if phone and Wi-Fi system are down, this will allow you to use your phone as a flashlight for documentation and to access apps designed to be helpful in emergency. Water. Clean water is one of the most important things you can have with you after a disaster. To be prepared, buy a reusable water bottle and fill it every morning to increase the chance you will actually carry it with you. Choose a small size, for instance, simple modern 17-ounce bottle that doesn't take up much room in a day bag. Food. After a disaster, food is often in short supply. Keep a spare high-protein snack in the bottom of your bag and you will be able to maintain energy longer. Nuts and health bar are easy, non-perishable option to have on hand while you travel. So this is for today. Thank you for watching. Silver Young Solo Traveler. Please do not forget to hit the red button below as well as the bell sign, so when I upload a new video it will notify you. Bye bye and be safe.